back with my subject English. We have completed our chapter number 3. What is inside the box? What is inside the box? Can we revise this story? Amit and Pia, grandmother has sent them one box. They gone to the post office. After that, what happened? 3 friends met him and they all are asking them what is inside the box. सोनाली, रोहन एंड मारिया अमित के फ्रेंड्स थे, तो उन तीनों ने भी उनसे पूछा व्हाट इज इनसाइड द बॉक्स. दे 3 आर थिंकिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट इन द बॉक्स, बट द ग्रैंडमदर हैज सेंडेड देम अ story books. So they all sit together and reading the books. So one more exercise is there in this chapter. Page number 22. Complete this table. Here one table is written. What you have to do? You have to complete this table. Say what Rohan, Sonali and Maria. कौन थे ये? अमित और पिया के फ्रेंड्स. Think is in the box. Then say what was really in the box. वो तीनों ने क्या थिंक किया था? You have to write in this box and after that what is really in the box, that you have to write down over here. So first one, रोहन. पहले अमित और पिया को कौन मिला था? रोहन. तो what he is thinking, what is in the box? A toy car. So we will write here a toy car. After that कौन मिला उन्हें रास्ते में? सोनाली. So what Sonali is thinking? What is this in the box? याद आ रहा है? Sonali, some cakes and chocolates. Some cakes and chocolates. 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 After Maria, so what she is thinking? A box of crayons and some paints. Rohan is thinking a toy car. Sonali, some cakes and chocolates. Maria, a box of crayons and some paints. But what was really in the box? What was? क्या भेजा था grandmother ने? Story books. So we will write here books. BOOKS with lovely pictures. So वो तीनों साथ में बैठे. कौन? सोनाली, मारिया एंड रोहन. किसके घर पर? अमित एंड पिया के घर पर बैठकर उन सब ने मिलकर स्टोरी बुक्स रीड की. So this way you have to complete this table in your textbook and notebook. Our B exercise. Today we will do one grammar exercise also. Page number 22. But before starting this exercise, I want to explain you something. So look at the board. L, comma, is, comma, R. L is R. Where and when you have to use this. M is and R. So this all are the helping words. ये sentence formation के लिए बहुत ही important होते हैं. So first we will do and. When we will use and. talk about ourselves. I am a boy, I am a girl, I want to go out, I want to play. So there we have to use am. कैसे? See this? I am a girl. I के बाद क्या लगा है? एम. मैं कौन हूं? एक गर्ल. I am a boy. I am a boy. मैं क्या हूं? एक boy. So that we are using am. am. और कहीं पर भी हम am यूज नहीं कर सकते. जब मुझे अपने बारे में, जैसे कि I, तो मुझे अपने बारे में बात करनी है, there we are using am. We'll do more two examples. See, I am playing. I am playing. Full stop. I am happy today. I am happy today. See, I am playing. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. I am happy today. मैं बहुत आज खुश हूँ. So here I के बाद ये इसका helping verb है. Helping verb. So I के साथ always we are using am. I के साथ always we are using am. इसके साथ और कोई भी वर्ड नहीं लगता है. After that is. When we are using is, look at here. He, she, it, these, that. He, she, it, things and that. These and that. इनके साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? is. Singular noun. Singular noun के साथ हम यूज करते हैं is. See students, he when we are using for the boy, she for the girl, it मतलब things के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? it, these the things which are nearby us, and that the things which are far from us, that we are using that. See, singular noun for only one person, one thing, one animal, we are using is. So let's do examples. Okay students, I have written some examples over here. So let's see. He is a boy. वो कौन है? Boy. So here also we are using is. She is reading. वो क्या कर रही है? She is reading. वो कुछ पढ़ रही है. So here also we are using is. It is a table. It is a table. For the thing we are using it. So यहाँ पर भी हम is use करेंगे. This is a pen. This is a pen. ये क्या है? एक pen. तो here also we are using is. These मतलब हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? The things which are nearby us. That is a dog. That is a dog. वहाँ पर क्या है? Dog. So here also we are using is. For the singular thing. यहाँ पर भी देख सकते हो he एक ही लड़का है, she एक ही लड़की है, it is a table. वहाँ पर भी एक ही टेबल है. This is a pen. एक ही पेन है. That is a dog. वहाँ पर भी एक ही dog है. So here also we are using is. Two more three examples. Ria is playing. Riya, name of a girl, is playing. वो क्या कर रही है? खेल रही है. The bird is flying. The bird. Bird मतलब पंछी क्या कर रहे हैं? उड़ रहे हैं. Delhi is a big city. Delhi क्या है? सिटी का नेम. वो कैसी है? बहुत बड़ी. So Delhi. For the singular things we are using is. For the singular, he, she, it, these, that we are using is. Students, after is are. When we are using are, you उसके बारे में. We हम सब. they are my friends. वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. these कब हम यूज करते हैं? I have taught you. these for the one thing. those for many things. और plurals. plural nouns. plural nouns के साथ हम are यूज करते हैं. So let's do examples जिससे आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Students, I have written some examples for you. Let's see. You are my friend. आप क्या हो? मेरे फ्रेंड. See, यहाँ पर आप खड़े हो और यहाँ पर आपका फ्रेंड है. Means I am here and my friend name is Anjali. So वहां पर भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? are. You are my friend. मैंने पहले ही बताया. For the plural thing also we are using are. We are eating. We all are eating. So here also we have to use are. They are going. They मतलब वहां पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं, वो कहीं पर जा रहे हैं. So here also we will use are. These are mangoes. These are mangoes. See, mangoes plural है और these nazi है. So here also we are using are. Those are my friend. See, more than one thing, plural and those. When we are using those, the things which are far from us. So here also we are using are. See, I have written more two examples. Riya and Seema. See, two. Riya और कौन? Seema are best friends. वो कौन से क्या है? दोनों best friends. So here also we are using are. Lion and tiger. Lion और tiger are wild animals. Here we are using are. See students, for the plural we have to use are. Students, in this video we have done B exercise from the textbook page number 22 and grammar. M is up. M is up. When we are using, so today I have taught you this also. Now in next video we will do the exercise part. So in this video, if you are having any doubts or any queries, you can ask us in our Zoom online session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.